Yo, what's up? Shit is going down tonight. We're gonna do 1,000 kilometer challenge with the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse. This is 50 xDrive. First I thought it was named xDrive 50. No, they changed the name schema, whatever. But yes, remember, it is called BMW, not BMW. Or do you want me to say Rimac and Porsche and Peugeot and Renault and Citroën? Your choice. Okay, anyway, how fast will it be? You know, I checked out a bit route planner, and a bit route planner claims that it will be 9:18 with 2 charging stops. But okay, let me show you. Dude, this is freaking crazy. So you won't believe me until you see this. We have quite strong tailwind. Actually, tonight it will be around 5 to 6 meters per second wind from the north. But then on the way back, the wind will calm down, and we get around 4 meters per second headwind on the way back. So I wonder if that is better than if we had only, let's say, 2 meters per second crosswinds, or I don't know. Well, but I don't know how accurate this is. It could be beta numbers according to a better route planner, but a better route planner claims that we can drive 465 kilometers in the first leg because we actually had massive tailwind. When I did this estimation on a better route planner a couple of days ago, when we didn't have the crazy tailwind, it wanted me to not stop at Halmstad but further north after around 420 kilometers. So it's like, not like Himmler, yeah. So, but now because of the massive tailwind, we want to go all the way to Halmstad. And then we charge there for 21 minutes to 78%. Well, that's kind of slow. Yeah, it goes a bit slow towards 80%. You want to actually charge to around 65%. And then we turn around at Hallandsåsen, and then the second stop will be, so okay, Uddevalla. It says Uddevalla, but it's Håkstorp where the supercharger is. That was also 400 kilowatt. These are SDY. Yeah, these are Alpitronic 400 kilowatts. So hopefully they have the 600 amp boost, because if they don't have it, if it's actually 500 amp, then we won't hit 400 kilowatt. We will charge it only around 385. But I think that will be good enough. I already done a charge test at the Ioniq 350 kilowatt chargers, and it seems like it actually flattens the curve. But then it wants me to charge twice only, and then end up, yeah, at 1,000 kilometer, you see? And the consumption will be 251 watt hour per kilometer. Okay, do you guys agree? Or do we charge 3 times instead of 2 times? Because remember that this is not a challenge of how many charging stops we will have, but it's a challenge of how fast we can do this. And it is a Schnell electro-auto indeed, and it has incredible range and actually very good efficiency. In spite of this kind of boxy, you know. And okay, I have 21-inch wheels. I cannot choose. They put it on here. Ideally, I want 20-inch wheels. But yeah, so I will live stream this, so you can go check out my live stream. Hopefully we get lots of people. Can we hit 500 people? Can we hit 999 simultaneous users? Okay, probably not, but you can go check it out, live stream. Gonna have lots of fun. I didn't get that much sleep. Well, I mean, I got okay sleep. I hope I can stay awake. I need to pop a Monster, yeah, and then do this. Well, this is the Monster, man. This is the Monster. They created the Monster. Okay, I'm gonna close it now. No. Okay. So it's just gonna sit there with 100%. Hopefully, not 98%. Shit. So go check it out. We will probably start. Let me see. What is the time now? Oh, it's 8. Not sure when the kids will fall asleep. Hopefully. I don't know, by the time you guys see this video, you know, it's Saturday night. Maybe we can start live streaming around 9. Yeah. And then when do we start actually driving? I don't know, could be almost 9:30. There's so much stuff I need to set up before we can get off, yeah. But okay, live stream tonight, be there or be square. That's going to be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.